Do your own part for marriage, no look another person own. You hear that one? God tell man say make he love him wife. He no talk say make sure say she love you back oh. Just like when God talk for Bible say, wives, make una dey submit to una husband as unto the Lord. Ephesians 5 verse 22. God no call the husband say, you hear wetin I tell your wife? Make sure say she dey submit. No be im business. Na her own instruction be that. Everybody get im own instruction for marriage. If we all just dey do our own part when God give us, marriage go sweet pass like jollof rice for owambe. Example, the nanny work. Imagine say you be nanny, your madam tell you, make sure say you feed my pikin 5 times before I come back. If the pikin like make e dey cry or make the pikin no like you, e no concern you, you go still feed am because na your madam go ask you how you do the work. Na so God go ask husband, did you love your wife like Christ loved the church? Ephesians 5 verse 25. And God go ask wife, did you submit to your husband as unto me? Or Colossians 3 verse 18. So you see no be how your wife treats you be the koko, no be how your husband treats you be the main matter. The main thing na how you do wetin God say make you do. Do am as unto the Lord. Everything wey you dey do for marriage, no do am just to make your partner happy. Do am as if na God you dey serve. And whatsoever you do, do it heartedly as to the Lord and not unto man. Colossians chapter 3 verse 23. Love your wife as unto the Lord. Submit to your husband as unto the Lord. Serve each other as unto the Lord. My final word be say, marriage no be competition. E no be revenge ground. If husband and wife fit just dey obey God for their own part, happiness go fill the house and peace go dey like river. You wan get better marriage? No dey monitor your partner own instruction. Face your own and do am well. Na God go reward you.